nhớ rằng cũng lúc bây giờ xì ya nó bây giờ là cỡ đỡ thiết sau đỡ mong nè ok chị cho đỡ và bây giờ sau chị nhớ phong cũng phong đỡ nó hay tiệt cỡ những thiết sau đỡ mong alright chị cho hậu phong đỡ chị nếu mua cho nên đỡ nè cho nên đỡ mong nhớ hậu nè ok chị bây giờ là cỡ lần đó cũng cỡ tàu chị ta xin nó nè nhớ tụ nó nhớ tụ nên đỡ lò lia ok chị bé bí lò lia chị bé bí li nó bé bí sau tu niệm tới lò chế bí sau lò ấy có hai thế nào ok có hai lú có hai lú số nè lú sáu nè the sound lò lò giờ lấy tiền lò lia 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 alright lò 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 so just take your pencil and just go over the dotted line, the dotted letter. Just follow law and whisper, say the sound. As you write each sound, say law, 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 law. Yeah, law, lia, okay? And then ta khả năng là nó chỉ cho những cái bỏ nó chỉ khả năng ta là chỉ tu tu niệm tại sao ta chỉ biết sao là lụ tiền lia nó nè okay lia lia chỉ là mang chỉ nó okay lia or another word another meaning for lia is red but in this case we are talking about lia the monkey the animal okay so la shan ta ku come and write with me law ear chỉ share chỉ hai tiền lia okay so write with me and then we will say the word together. We will work together. Lia, yatia nishto cho cụ cỡ e ta loi cho nó ya thay sau sư nó chỉ họ mà nó ta bé cỡ e bé yo mà show ít tu nhận tới rồi tôi này okay. So Lia, I like to keep things very simple. And so each video, I'm only going to focus on one letter, one sound, and then a word that begins with that letter and a sentence. And so fill in the blanks. So it's going to be very simple. And if you follow along, we can learn more together. Okay? Lia, law, ear, share, Lia. Okay? So now we're going to read the sentence. Okay, là bên những khó vừa cá tại nó nè. Okay, từ lia khơi ta hậu. Okay, the monkey scratching its head. Okay, the monkey is scratching its head. So từ lia khơi ta hậu. All right. Lia lò ear đi share lia từ lia khơi ta hậu. And ta linh đã chế bé là show để tu lia khơi ta hậu cho cá hậu cá nó nè. Okay, so for this line we're going to write the sentence, the complete sentence. So let's start right here. Don't forget capital T. Go to tỏ capital tỏ. I don't want to confuse you with the English. All right, so tỏ tu lia lia khơi means scratch. Okay, khơi tao how head. Tao how is head. Okay, tao how and then period. So những đó cũ này. Okay, những đó cũ từ lia khơi tao how. All right, so after this look at this, there's another line right here. You can practice writing this again, this sentence right here, or you can write another sentence with the word lia, okay? It's up to you, all right? So now we are going to read this sentence, all right? I'm going to tap on each word. Read with me. Tu, lia, ka, tao, how. Now let's read one more time, but go a little bit faster, all right? Let's begin. Tu, lia, ka, tao, how. Now on the third time, I want you to read it with a little bit faster speed, with more, read more fluently, okay? Tu, lia, ka, tao, how. All right, so now you have completed this worksheet, and you now know the letter law. Let's review law. La lia, okay? And then you wrote the word lia, and then fill in the blank, and you wrote the sentence, and then practice reading this. All right, if you forget a word, you can always pause. I'll go back to your video and go back to the word. So this concludes our lesson for this page, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.